Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve 0x000003e3 error in printer on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. First thing I recommend to doing would be to restart both of the printer and the computer to get restart guys. After restarting it, if you get problem solved, if you be easy guys, if you not get solved, go to search menu and type troubleshoot setting, open it, go to other troubleshooters, want to select printer, run it, detecting problems, checking the spooler service. You might explore other option too, might be helpful. Close the troubleshooter guys, close out of here, and the next thing you want to go to search menu and type services, services. Click run as administrator. Printer spooler properties, you want to go to printer spooler properties, click anything here and type keyboard P and printer spooler, you get it, double click on it, want to click on start, you want to click on automatic and apply and okay, want to start it guys. After doing this, you want to close out of here, and for make changes you go ahead and restart your PC guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Thanks for watching my video.